Hi everyone, in today's lesson we're going to compare fractions using a number line. We're going to look at fractions to determine if they're greater than, less than, or equal to the other fraction. So if I look at this question, it says comparing fractions using greater than, less than, or equal to, use the number line to help. So they want to know, is 2/4 greater than, less than, or equal to 2/3? So if I mark on the number line, I mark 2/4 and I mark 2/3, I can see that 2/3 is closer to 1, so that means that 2/3 is greater than 2/4. Remember, the alligator is eating the bigger number. And then for this next one, it says, is 2/6 greater than, less than, or equal to 1/3? So I find 2/6 on the number line, and I mark it. And I find 1/3 on the number line, and I mark it, and I can see that 1/3 is the same or equivalent to 2/6. So I'm going to put my little equal sign here. And then down here it says, is 5/8 greater than, less than, or equal to 3/8? So I can see 3/8 is here on the number line, and 5/8 is here. So I know that 5/8 is greater than 3/8. I also know that 5/8 is greater than 3/8 because the denominator is the same. So that means it's broken into the same amount of equal parts. And there's 5 parts for this fraction, and there's 3 parts for this fraction. So if you have more parts and you have the same denominator, then that fraction is greater than. Look up here. Just do a couple more. So is 1/4 greater than, less than, or equal to 3/4? So I just mark it on the number line, 1/4 and 3/4. And once again, I know because they have the same denominator, and here there's only 1 part, and here there's 3 parts, I know that 1/4 is less than 3/4. I also can see that 1/4 is closer to 0 and 3/4 is closer to 1. So I hope that helps. Good luck today. Bye.